Ilan minutes lang naman yan. Oh, yes. Alright. A piano. Look at this one. Do you know what color is this? Black. How about this one? White. Very good. Can you press the black key for me? Press the black keys. Where else? Press as many as you can. Press ka pa? Wow. Wait lang ha. You go. Can you press the white keys? Yeah. Now, do you see the black keys? Meron, you know your numbers already. You know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. This is the black keys, ha? Look at the black keys. The black keys are grouped into 2 and grouped into 3. 1 and 2 and dito 1, 2, 3. Oh, I will challenge you, Ella. Can you press the group of 2 black keys? Yung dalawa lang sila. Yan. How about the group of 3 black keys? Very good. Galing. Can you press the other 2 black keys? I see a lot of group of 2 black keys eh. Can you help teacher find them? Where else pa? Hanap ko pa yung group of 2 black keys. Yung kapareho nito. O, asin ka? Ayan, o, press me. Very good. O, where pa? I see. Dalawa po. Yes, and the highest. Tapos po. Galing. O, paano dito sa baba? Paano naman doon? Kawawa naman sila. O, where? Press ka pa. Wow. O, where else? It's okay to move. And the lowest. I see the pinaka-lowest doon. It's okay to move. It's okay. It's okay to move. Can you press it for me? It's the pinaka-lowest. Aha, galing. O, ito, how about the group of 3 black keys, ha? Ito, 3 black keys. O, can you please help me? Oh, where else? Where else? Meron pa dun sa baba. Ay, paano dito sa taas? And, asa pa? And the last. Galing. Okay. I will teach you something, ha? Teacher will have to teach you something. Can you show me your hand? Show me your fingers. Can you follow me? These are your fingers, diba? Can you show me your thumb? Wiggle your thumb. Wiggle your thumb. Yes, yan ang number 1. Number 1 to, ha? Anong number si thumb? Number 1. Next. Number 2. Wiggle number 2. Wiggle number 3. Wiggle number 4. And wiggle number 5. Na-challenge kita. Can you wiggle number 1? Oh, wiggle. Show me your hand. Show me your fingers. Can you wiggle number 1? Asan si number 1? Galing. Asan si number 5? Nye. 3 yan nye. Nye. 1. Ayaw bilang tayo, ha, Ella. Tignan mo ito. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. O, asan si number 5? Yun. Ay, asan si number 3? Oh, okay. O, si left hand. Asan si number 3 sa left hand? Asan si number 3? Yun. O, this time, kukunin natin si number 2, ha. Show me yung number 2 mo sa right and sa left. O, show me your number 2. Ito. Ganito ka. Follow me. Yan. Right and si left, ha. Punta tayo sa group of 2 black keys dito. Can you show me? Yan. Kaso ito ang tutunog. Ito muna si number 2, ha? Tapos ito si number 2 ng left. Okay? So, pag sinabi ni teacher sa right, right, can you follow me na right? Press right, then left. Then right. Yeah, number 2 pa rin. Dapat, number 2, right, left, right, left. Okay, papahirapan kita ng konti, ha? Gamitin naman natin yung number 3. Number 3, oh, ikaw doon ka. Pero, sa group of 2 black kids, and sa group of 2, very good. Smart kid. How about the other hand? Can you see the other hand? Yes. Here. Kaso number 3, ah. Number 3 dapat. Hindi. Number 3 ito. Yan. Okay? Use right. Right. Left. Bakit tinutulungan nito? Madaya yan. Okay. Yan. Okay. Right. Left. Right. Left. Left. Right. Right. Left. Right. Left. Right. Left. Right. Timing tayo, ha? Right. Left. Right. Left. Number 3 dapat.